the maximum 6.5 cubic meters. Okay, let's see the details. As you can see, this one it is our AS 12.5 cubic meters batch per batch. This one is the integral type. It's very strong and safe. This is our AS4 cubic meters. It's also integral type. And this one is our most popular model, AS 3.5 cubic meters. For the AS 3.5, we have three types. For AS 3.5 A, B, and C. You can choose the model according to your project. We also have AS 2.6 and 1.8, and also the smallest one is 1.2. For this machine, it can automatically produce and transport concrete on site. It's much more convenient with the function of self-loading, self-weighing, and self-mixing, discharging, and also transportation very conveniently. This machine, it has a high working efficiency and also very easy to operate. Just need one person will be okay. So it's much more convenient for various of construction projects. If you're interested in any of them, please feel free to contact us. Our company contact information will on the screen, and we also looking forward to the cooperation with your company. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.